Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to optimize video with VidIQ. In order to do that, just head over and click on this optimize option right here. Now in here, just choose a video that you want to use. For example, for this, let's choose this one. And then in here, you can see that you can optimize your title right here. So for example, let's use this right here, and as you can see, the title has now been optimized and it has now scored 95. You can also head over to thumbnail right here, and you can put in here a new thumbnail that you can see. Now it will also show you feedback on your thumbnail, and also you can generate right here thumbnail that you can use for this case. Now take note that this thumbnail generation is actually only available for this plan right here, which is the boost plan, so just head over and then subscribe to that one. You can also head over right here to the details, and as you can see, this is what it looks like on the details right here. Now I can recommend you to just make sure to regenerate your description right here as well as your tags. Just click on this right here and add in here a keyword. So for example, let's put in here modern family, modern love, and also a lot more things. And then from there, click on this generate, and then they will generate custom descriptions for this video that you have right here. So just wait for this and just click on apply right here. Then once you have done that, click on this publish right here in order to save all the things that you have just made. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try